Right, just me a boil the oil. You me? Make up wood fire Jamaica, you know, you see? What them know about wood fire? Eh? Granny me grow with you know. The whole of them style, you see? What them know about wood fire? All those know if make up wood fire, me a teach you now. So you catch you like one scandal bag after you make it up. And use the scandal bag and catch fire, you see? See there? I custard that, is it? Yeah man, see it there? I custard that, you know. Me take off, you see me? I don't want to send one of the bigger heads them to me and tell him to me there and make oil, you know. You see me? Oil in a pot from coconut, you know you go. Yeah man, Jamaica. I so make your oil a yard and abroad, you see me? Yeah man, anywhere we go man, you see it? We create fashion and style, you see me? And that's why I tell you get to youth them if you try to be skillful and talented, you see it? Yeah man. See me my phone here get to youth, you see me? This is a little side hustling, you see me? This can put food on your table for you and you picnic them, you see me? Yeah man. Them the way you see in a pot, a piece of lime and garlic. You know where you go? You see me? So I boil it down, and when it boil down, we just flick it off. You see me? So all the people who love idle and fast in a people business and walk and make trouble, eh? See something you want to can do for your living. You hear it? Yeah man, I eat that, you see me? I custard this, you see me? So you know, say the custard I can eat, you know, but here we go on. See if the custard fresh, you see me? Like if I pick it today and do it way down in the evening, you see me I say? You can eat the custard and show you what I go on. Oil in a pot, you see me? Yeah man. Why we are run go buy oil? Eh? The bad oil them when we can make oil. Eh? When we can buy coconut and make oil. I mean I tell you say I know whole heap of coconut this. Then this around 10 coconut or a little bit over. But I know whole heap of coconut. You see me? Imagine me pick a portion of coconut and say I make oil. Eh? Side of fling. You live in a bucket there. But me feel like some more should have scrape out, you know. But I say go. You see me, I'm my first time. See my father do it and I say me I try. I'm my first time boiling oil. You see it? Yeah man. So see oil now in I pot. That me a talk about, you see me? Yeah man. So all the eyeglass them will like walk and make problem. So you get something you have to do now. So you don't have to walk and make no problem, you know, if you go to prison and jail. You see me? Or graveyard, you see it? Now you have something to do. You see me? All you need to do, I thank me. Just say thanks in a comment. You get what I say? Yeah man, because I find out enough people you know just problem maker, you see it? And some of the time I told them I have nothing to do. And some of them, all when they have something to do, they still make problem. All when they have $1 million sit down pan, they still make problem. Walk away from trouble and problem, you understand? And try to create some things. You get what I say? Yeah. And everybody are going to love you and everybody are going to like you. You see me? But make sure say you like yourself first and like what you are doing in life. You get what I say? Yeah. One Style King Classic Furniture. You see me? A video like them I want to share. You see me? This one to get to you them to do. Stop idle, stop waste time. Eh? And learn to make aisle. You see me?